Hello, today we are installing the Adobe CS6. So what we need to the offline PC. Extract, we are giving the extracts. Also, we are going the offline. Change adapter settings. Disable. Now PC is offline. So extracting is starting. Just few minutes. Almost done. My extracting. So now go the Adobe CS6 final CS6, just click easier process, ignore, we no need the connected issues. We are installing using the install trial, then accept, must be internet off, must be, then there have a language, which language you need you just select, then there have a location, which location you need to just select, when you need the custom location you just select, or no need you just give the install, then yes. Need some time based on your PC configuration. So your PC configuration is good, so installation fast, so low, then need to time. So 13% almost done, so we are waiting. After installation you see you something, because we are pirated this one and lifetime pirated. Just we are holding. 21%. So a few minutes we need, not few minutes, few seconds I think. 94% almost done. So installation is done. Now we are pirated this one. Pirated policy is same. Pirated policy is simple. At first we are need to the on this software. This one my software. So we are on. You see this one asking for trial. So always asking for trial when you are not pirated. So it's the trials. Now we just giving this one. Where my files? Oh, sorry. Double click on this one. Some sounding come, not a rich, it's not the picture. Now again we are on, not showing the trial. this one is done. Full free installation with pirate. Thank you.